Hi, those of you who just joined, I have sent a Google form in WhatsApp. Just fill that, please. Those who just joined, please fill that Google form. Can you guys hear me? Abhimanyu, Yuvan Shankar, Yuvashri. Can you guys hear me? Harshvardhan.
Yes, sir.
That Google form is there in WhatsApp. Please fill that. Okay. Viveda also. Viveda, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
I have just sent a Google form. Just fill that in WhatsApp.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now so many of you have joined over here. Are you all in the WhatsApp group? Does anyone not have the WhatsApp group link?
Sir.
I can see 14 people over here, but in the WhatsApp group only 11 are there. Who is not there in the WhatsApp group, ma? Hello? Are you all in the WhatsApp group?
Yes, sir. We are there, sir. No.
If you are not there, then just get that link from your friends, na, and join the WhatsApp group. Because I sent a
Okay,
mail.
sir.
I sent a mail to everyone. I don't know if you guys received the mail or not. I got your mail ID from Cami only.
Okay, sir.
If you haven't received the mail, please get that link from your friends. Okay, otherwise I'll post that link in the chat over here. You can join now. Okay, just hold on. I'll post it in the chat. Hold on. Yeah, I've posted in the chat. You guys can join immediately. Okay. Okay, great. Fine. So just fill in the Google form. Today we'll have only a short session. I'm just going to tell you how the classes are going to be conducted, and then we can wind up. Okay. So I'll just share my screen. We'll just have a look at the syllabus. It is similar to what you guys did in what do you say in the crash course that we did. So those of you who have just joined, I'll resend that Google form link. Just hold on. Yeah. So 4 people have joined now. So you can see the Google form link. Please fill that first. Because that is required for today's attendance, ma. Please fill the Google form for today's attendance. All of you who fills that form, I'll make sure that you're put present in Cameo. Okay. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
right. So now I'll just share my screen. I will also send the syllabus in WhatsApp, but I'll just share my screen and let you know what exactly we are going to do. how the classes are going to be conducted. Okay, so just hold on, I'll just present my screen. Okay, so again what we had can you guys see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this
Yes,
is
sir.
this is again what we did in the crash course only, purely focusing on the aptitude test and the interviews that are going to be conducted. So how we go about this, see, classes will not happen like how we did in crash course. It is not going to be 1 hour of Google Meet class or anything like that. Okay, next week what we'll do is we will send you one Moodle link. Okay, you know Moodle, right? lms.savita.ac.in. In that we will send you one link.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we will send you one link in which there will be three or four videos, short videos, maximum 5-7 minutes. Okay, so all you have to do is you have to watch that video, and based on one video there will be one quiz or assignment or activity. Okay, then you have to finish that quiz will have only about 4 or 5 questions, that's all maximum. Okay, then you go to the second video, then there will be a quiz or activity on that, then third video, then one quiz or activity on that. Okay, so you can do it at your own pace. So what you have to do is, for attendance sake, what you have to do is I will start you off with the class using this WhatsApp group. You can have a look at the video, you finish all the quizzes, and once I see that you have submitted the answers to the quiz, based on that only attendance will be given in Cameo. Do you guys follow? Puriyardamma?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next week is going to be a Moodle class. The week after that, what we will do is we will have a feedback session on how you guys finish the quiz, and if any doubts or questions are there, we will solve that using a short, maximum 120-25 minutes of Google Meet class. After that, we'll share some other materials with you also, so you can do some self study. Okay, so this is how classes are going to be conducted this entire semester. 1 week will be a Moodle class, next week will be a feedback class, then again third week is going to be a Moodle class, that is video class, fourth week will be a feedback class. Similarly, alternate weeks we will have Moodle classes and feedback classes. That's all we are going to do. Are you guys following?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So it's very simple. Mostly it is going to be self-study and feedback that we are going to give you on your performance as you see the videos and attend the quizzes or activities or assignments. That's all we are going to do. Okay. So what I'll do now is this particular unit 1 is purely verbal. So there will be quizzes only available in that. There won't be any activity or assignment available. For resume, obviously it is going to be an assignment where you have to create your resume and upload it onto Moodle. Same how you did for crash course. Okay, so there are videos on how to do the resume. There are a few quizzes also available, so you can attend those. When it comes to unit 3, that is group discussions, we can't have live group discussion classes. We can have maybe 1 or 2 mock sessions at the max, because you have video Moodle classes and feedback sessions. So we are not going to do entire group discussion sessions like how you did in the crash course. It will be slightly different, but 1 or 2 maximum mock GDs we can do. Okay, and then in unit 4 it is purely going to be interviews. Okay, so interview, again we can have 1 or 2 mock interviews, but then you will be given a database of questions that they can ask in interviews. How to prepare yourself in terms of online interviews, all these things will be there. Okay, so that is how we are going to conduct the classes this semester. Okay, so what I'll do now is I'll just share this syllabus with you. You can go through it in detail. Okay, and I hope all of you have filled that Google form. Have you filled that Google form?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
One more person has joined now. Who is this 7374 phone number? Yaar brother? Name? 73748. Who's that phone number? தமிழ் அரசனா? இப்பதான் ஜாயின் பண்ணிருக்கான் மீட்டிங்ல. அதுக்குள்ள எல்லாம் விட்டு போயிடாதீங்க, கொஞ்சம் வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க. தமிழ் அரசன், கேன் யூ ஹியர் மீ? கேட்கல. தமிழ் அரசன், கேன் யூ ஹியர் மீ?
Yes, sir.
அந்த கூகுள் ஃபார்ம் ஃபில் பண்ணிட்டியாப்பா?
Just now, sir. Fill பண்ணிட்டேன் sir.
ஃபில் பண்ணியாச்சா? யாரு உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட் அனுப்பிச்சாங்களா லிங்க்கு?
Yes, sir.
சரி சரி, ஓகே. பண்ணிட்டேன்னா ஓகே. ஸோ நான் அட்டெண்டன்ஸ் அதை பார்த்து தான் கொடுக்க முடியும் இன்றைக்கி, அதனால தான் சொல்கிறேன். Okay,
sir.
done. So I will send you the syllabus now. Okay, so all of you please go through that, and that's all for today, ma. There is nothing more to discuss. As I said, alternate video classes, that is Moodle classes, and alternate feedback sessions da nadakum. That's what's going to happen in this semester. Okay, so that's all for today. We can wind up. Thank you very much. Have a good evening.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
right, ma. Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Right.